Welcome to today's video on prime numbers. A prime number is a whole number greater than one that can only be divided evenly by two numbers itself and 1. For example, 7 is a prime number because the only way to divide it evenly is by 1 and 7. In contrast, 6 is not prime because it can be divided by 1, 2, 3, and 6. The first few prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and 19. Notice that 2 is the only even prime number. Every other even number can be divided by 2, which immediately rules them out. Now, how do mathematicians find prime numbers? One of the oldest methods is called the sieve of Eratosthenes, developed by a Greek mathematician around 240 BC. You simply list numbers, then systematically eliminate multiples of each prime, and what remains are your prime numbers. As numbers get larger, primes become rarer, but they never stop appearing. This was proven by the ancient Greek mathematician Euclid, who showed there are infinitely many prime numbers. Prime numbers aren't just a mathematical curiosity, they're incredibly important in the real world. Modern encryption and cybersecurity rely heavily on primes. When you browse the internet securely, your data is protected using algorithms that depend on the extreme difficulty of factoring very large numbers into their prime components. As of 2024, the largest known prime number contains over 41 million digits and was discovered using a collaborative computing project called GIMPS, the Great Internet Mersenne Prime Search. Prime numbers also connect to one of mathematics' greatest unsolved problems, the Riemann hypothesis, which explores the deeper pattern behind how primes are distributed across all numbers. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.